welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I promised you I will come back with my unicorn surprise, Nana surprise too. So here you go. This is my unicorn surprise too. Ready to open it, guys? But first, hit the bell button down below, right down here. Let's start opening it now. First, we have to open it. We open it from here always. Whoa! Here's the straw. Here's the straw. We just need to untape it. So, untape it. And when untaping it, I already opened the straw. And now we got this in the instructions. Let's see first what's the two instructions for. Because in the first video of Nana Surprise, I didn't check it. So let's check it now. Ooh is amazing. We do this and that and whatever. And now, time to see what to do. Oh yes, I got it. So time to open our non-surprise. Always we blow from here. So now we need the straw. Get it. Always remember to put it inside. Let's put it inside first. Just put it inside. Then blow. That just burst by itself. I can't wait to see what's inside us. Now let's burst it open. Now we burst it already. So time to see all the confettis everywhere. The confettis are everywhere, guys. So time to see who we got. Especially, I think I got the unicorn. Time to tear it. Now it's time to tear it. Tear it. The bear one! I got the cute snuggly bear. I guess Mama was not right. I got the snuggly bear. I wanted it. The snuggly bear is so cute. Oops. First we have to, I'm just gonna show you in this side first. These come with this, so now we're gonna open it later. We're gonna open it later. Blind bag. These are the blind bags. Mama was definitely wrong. My mother was definitely wrong. So let's check the catalog. I knew we got the snuggly bears. The snuggly bear. It's so cute. I told Mama it doesn't make any sense, so she didn't listen. But first, let's open this. Mom, can you give me the scissors, please? And now we got the shoes. These are the shoes we got for the snuggly bears. Time to open her clothes. Open. Ooh, it's so cute. And it comes with this. This is her cute jacket. Look at her cute jacket. And time to open. Done. And then now we have to open it from here. And then we got this from the container. Do. Yeah. There's some tape. Look at the snuggly is Damon. Look at her beautiful hair. Look at it. It's so cute. Now time to put her outfit on. And now let me show you first. I'm going to show you the jacket and her. This is what we got. Now, so let's put her clothes on. First we have to do the back side. Always do the back side first, kids. I kind of do it so mom can do it because I don't know how to put clothes on dolls. This is what I have now, and Mama put the shoes and I wanted to put the shoes on, so here you go. And this is also my own Nana surprise which I got from last time. So these are the two Nana surprise I got. So now this mess is Siona's mess, but since it's my Friday, I'm not gonna clean it up. Bye bye. And now here's my two Nana surprise, and I hope you like my video, and tomorrow another surprise will come to you from my video. So bye bye. I love you guys. And like, share, and subscribe in the bottom down below right there.